Harley parts are doing. This is a trunk, razor trunk. How nice and thin line it is. Nice looking part. Brown color. It's black. Has to be crushed ice pearl effect. You know, here's in the light a little bit. Maybe you can see some blue pearl effect in there, and the light turns on it. Anyway, it's a tri-stage paint. We're going to take all the hardware off of this, pad and everything off of it. Split the two parts. Take the hinges loose. See, it opens up here nice. So everything on this part is bolted together. There's no rivets, so it makes it nice. Got all the latches off. I'll just screw it on the inside. Locking latch up here, so everything will come apart nice on this. We'll tape off the inside. It's got a rubber seal up here. Flip these parts top side up on both of them, bottom side up on the bottom, and then we'll get this thing sanded down. There's white primer on this, and then we'll do our tri-stage paint on it. Sand it, buff it, reassemble it. Try to get this one done pretty quick here. So we'll bring it back when we make more progress on this one. Alright, back on the razor trunk here. You can see we're all tore down. The lid here, the top, all the mounting holes and everything. Dusty here in the shop. Stick it to it like a magnet. It's the bottom part. We'll have to scuff everything here. All in around all this webbing. It's on it for strength. All around these little edges here where the lip is. All around where the hinge mounts. A lot of hand prep. I'm going to use the black paint that's on here as my first prime coat. These are made out of plastic, and this paint is already adhered to it as they sell it, so we're not going to take any of this off. We're just going to scuff this down flat, and then we'll prime it from there. Top piece has got, if I get a hold of it here, stand it back up. It's got a rubber seal in it. There we go. I want to paint this lip right here underneath the bottom edge. A lot of people wouldn't do that, but when this lid is raised, that'll show. We'll blend in with the black underneath. We'll see. I may just tape it off there. I'll decide on that if it has to be painted or leave it black. Since the inside's already just black, it may not make any difference on this piece. So we just want to do it whichever way it's going to look the nicest when it's all done. A little bit of effort makes a difference in the job. And here's all the pieces and parts. You can see when I take them off, I write on the inside where they go, the bottom or the top part of the hinge, the forward and top markings on them, so you are oriented. And then on the inside, I write also some of these where they come from. These hinges are self-explanatory. There's only two. The latches I numbered. You can see the light in there. Again, there's a number 3 on this one. On the inside, I wrote the number 3 wherever they go. The lock mechanism. When I took it out, I black marked on it with a permanent marker, indexed everything in. Nothing that's going to be in the exterior of a part that's going to show. Catalog all the parts, put them all in a container there. There's our black pad down here back in the box that the unit come in. I'll store all the parts and pieces in there till we're all done. I should keep them safe, so we'll have everything for reassembly. Alright, get ready to start scuffing on these. Get this all sanded down, get them prepped for some white paint. Bring it back when we make more progress. Alright, back on the Harley razor trunk here. We've got everything all sanded now. Sanded down 600 on this. Sanded on the original gloss black finish on this. Just blocked it all out nice and flat. Sanded all the orange peel out. They've already prepped this part. It's plastic. They'd already prepped it for this paint, so you do not want to sand that paint off. It's already prepped to it here. Keep it on. Use that as your subcoat. Sand it down. That's what we did here. All prepped. We're going to clean these up and mask off the insides next. So we're looking pretty good here. So I'll bring you back when we get ready to throw the paint on it. All right, here's our first pass with the tape. Had rubber in here. Just taping it over top of that. Get everything down like this, and I'll paper off the inside. This is it. There's no other interior component that goes in here, so we don't want to get any overspray or anything on it. We want it to be nice and factory appearing black plastic on the inside. Be the same on this panel. It's the bottom of the box, so we'll bring you back when we get them all taped and papered off. All right, continuing on the Harley Razor trunk. We're all taped off now on the inside. It's the half with the rubber seal in it. That was the top. The top has a seal. There's the bottom half. So there they're all taped off. I'm going to put some stands on here to hold them up just a little bit off the table. I paint them so the lip's not touching. Next step, put some sealer on them. Put our tri-stage on. All right, bring you back when we get some more progress.